Hey everyone, welcome back. If Meta AI isn't working on your phone or apps like WhatsApp or Instagram, do not worry, this can be fixed easily. First, check your internet connection because Meta AI needs stable Wi Fi or mobile data to work properly. Restart your router or switch networks if needed. Then, head over to your App Store or your Play Store and then search for Meta AI and make sure that the app is installed to the latest version of WhatsApp, Instagram, or the Meta AI app itself. If it still does not work, restart your phone. This clears temporary system issues. Also, check whether the Meta AI app is available in your region or not because it is not supported everywhere yet. Now, your Meta AI should start working again. Thanks for watching and see you in the next.